Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through the different types of adjustments you can make. The first thing you want to do is click on your course. Next, you will need to click on the attendance session. Now you want to select the student you would like to make an adjustment for, and you can select them by clicking on the checkbox next to their name. Next, you would click Adjust in the top right-hand corner. You have a few different options of type of adjustments you can make. You can edit the check-in, which is when the student arrived for class. You can edit the check-out, which is when the student was checked out for class. You can award the student full-time, meaning they were there during the whole time, whether that's 8 to 5 or however long the course is. You can remove full-time, which means students will get no time. You can also override the time, meaning you can manually edit in a customized check-in time and a customized check-out time. Let's go through these one by one. The first one I would like to do is to edit check-in. So let's say the student came at the start of class. You can enter in an optional note here. For example, student forgot cell phone at home. This is just a note for you and the student and any admins looking at the attendance record to be able to know why this adjustment was made. Lastly, you want to click Save. Success. All right, let's take the next student. You would want to click on the checkbox, click Adjust. Let's edit their checkout time. Say they checked out the end of class. Again, you can enter in a note, but this is optional. Let's take the next student. For example, this student, let's say we want to award them full-time. We can click Award Full-Time. That means they'll get the 9 hours. You can enter in the optional note if you would like, and then you would enter Save. You can also remove full-time, so you can click Remove Full-Time, and that'll give them 0 minutes. You can enter in the optional note if you would like, then you would click Save. The last one is to override time. So when you click override time, you would manually enter in the time that the student arrived and the time that the student left. So you can click on the time clock and you can say the student arrived at 8:10 and the student left at, for example, 4:45 p.m. If you would like to enter in a note, you can do so, and then you would click Save. Those were all the type of adjustments that you can make for a student. Anytime you see a blue flag, that means an adjustment was made to the student's attendance record. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager. Thank you.